very shortly I'll be restarting Somerset Marketing Hub, and you're probably wondering what it is, where it's different, and how you might benefit. Let me explain. First of all, there are a lot of groups that bring business people together, essentially networking groups. And networking is simply a way of getting to know people, but that's where it typically ends. What I'm looking to do is to bring people together, business owners, solopreneurs, people who are starting out in business, people who wanted to grow their business, to get together to talk about marketing strategy. Because we know, and I know in talking to lots of business people, that one thing that one person might find easy to create and attract business, the other person finds difficult. So if we can bring people together to discuss what's working now, that would be of great benefit. Benefits really are that, first of all, if you're starting out a business, you won't make the mistakes, or you're unlikely to make the mistakes that everybody else makes. Secondly, in growing the business, you'll be surrounded by people who have done the same, and you can learn off them. And thirdly, I will provide you with a structure, a template that makes marketing so easy. I've been involved in marketing both on and offline for well over 30 years, and I listen with great interest how people in the marketing arena try and make it seem so complicated, and it's not. There's a simple three-step system that you can use that is guaranteed to make marketing clearer so that you know what you're doing. So if you'd like to know more about that and be on the list to be notified of when we get started, then just put your email email in the bottom of this particular page, or email me direct